Hello, this is quantitative reasoning, and today we are looking at this exercise. The operation here is from improper fraction to mixed fraction. Improper fraction to mixed fraction. So why is this improper? The number at the numerator is bigger than the one at the denominator. We have 7/4. So how do we convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction? So 4 divided by 7, that is 1. Remainder what? That's 3/4. For the second one, 17/3. So 3 in 17, that's 5. 5 multiplied by 3, that's 15. 15 minus 17, so remainder 2/3. So if you want to go back, that is 5 multiplied by 3, 15 plus 2, 17/3. 4 multiplied by 1, that's 4 plus 3, that's 7/4. So that's the operation. So let us go into the question in specifics. We have 9/4. So how many 4 can we find in 9? So that is 2. So it will remain 1, and that is over 4. So for the second one, we have 4 whole number, 2/5. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. 20 plus 2, that's 22/5. So for this one, we have 23/2. 2 in 22, 23, that's 11. So it will remain 1. 1/2. Record 11 multiplied by 2 will give us 22. So we have 22/3. 3 in 22, that is 7. Remain 1/3. 7 multiplied by 3, that's 21. 21 plus 1, that's 22/3. So we have one whole number, 1/11. 11 multiplied by 1, that's 11, plus 1, that's 12. So we have 12/11. We have 6 whole number, 3/7. 7 multiplied by 6, that's 42. 42 plus 3, that's 45/7. 71 divided by 8. So this gives us 64, that is 8. So 7/8. Recall 8 multiplied by 8, that's 64. 64 plus 7, that gives us 71. So we have 29/3. So 7 in 29, that is 9. So remain 2/3. So for the last one, we have 12 and 5/6. So 12 multiplied by 6, that's 72. 72 plus 5, that's 77/6. So thank you very much. That will be all. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you and be good.